How to add GIFs on Shopify. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And I'm here to teach you everything you need to know about Shopify. Today, we're going to be talking about on how to add GIFs on Shopify. GIFs are a great way to add visual interest and engagement to your product pages and other content. Without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to show you two ways on how to add GIFs in your online store. One way of adding GIF to your online store is go to your online store and then you have to customize our template and then click a page where you want to put the GIF or GIF and then you need to click add section and then need to custom liquid, then click the custom liquid and then we're going to get the liquid code from giphy.com. Like for example, this one, just search for a product or a name that you want to have a GIF from. And then I'm going to click embed and then copy the code and go back to your online store. And then let's go to the clothing so it would be more appropriate. Then click and then paste it. And it is now already in your online store. And the other way would be, let's go back to your Shopify dashboard and then let's go to our product and then in here I want to add a GIF to my product page. In this example, we're going to insert a video and then we're just going to paste the code that we have copied from this site and then insert video, and that's it. It is already added on your product page. And then let's click save and then we want to take a look on how it's look like on our shop page. Let's go to online store, then need to find the product, and then that's it. The GIF is already on our product page. Now that we have added GIFs to our store, I would like to cite some advantages of adding this to our store. The first would be increase engagement. GIFs are a great way to grab attention and keep customers engaged on your product page. They can also help to explain complex products or features in a fun and easy to understand way. The second would be improve customer experience. GIFs can help to make your product pages more visually appealing and engaging. This can lead to a better customer experience and increased satisfaction. The last one would be increase sales. GIFs can help to increase sales by showcasing your products in a more visually appealing way. They can also help to highlight the features and benefits of your products in a more effective way. With that being said, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.